Jalo jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua okoni ochiwo thuolo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo los weche mosekethore e kinde kode. Gachagua mano olose kinde alam e gwenge Mathika e kaunti ma Kiambu okone William Ruto ni en kod ting' mar keto duond bura mar UDA e bedo mano ma ongirore kendo ma onge kod tungni mora mora. Moko kuom jod bura kod jotel mamoko mano oteno Gachagua osiro pache no. Kendo koro gisiemo jogo machano thicho oko Gachagua e apisi.
I am not qualified to advise you, Mr. President. Lakini nisikize tu. You have a choice. Kwamba hawa watu ambao unataka kutumia kutoa naibu wako wa rais ambaye alisimama na wewe. Unaweza kuwa unadhania you are impeaching Rigathi Gachagua. Kumbe umeanza safari yako ya kujitoa kwa kiti wewe mwenyewe.
Ni mzuri kubuka kujibu wema na wema. Na niseme kama huu mlima ungefunga macho na useme usikie sauti ya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, wale wako katika mamlaka hawangekuwako.
We give very many promises. We need to keep those promises. And it's important that we keep those promises. The other day I asked the president to keep one promise to the people of Kenya that requires no funding, requires no IMF, requires no World Bank. He promised the people of Kenya that under his watch, his deputy will never be humiliated. Didn't he promise? We're asking him to keep that promise. If he can't keep that one promise, nobody can trust him to keep any other promise. So it's up to him.